How to secure your Huobi account with 2FA. First of all, open the app on your device. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings at the top right corner of the menu. Scroll down and select Security Settings. Here you will see options for Google Authentication, which is two-factor authentication method. If Google Authenticator is not linked yet, tap on it and then tap Go Verify. Follow the instructions to link your account with Google Authenticator. Enter the verification code from the app to complete the setup. For added security, you can also enable Passkeys, Fingerprint, or pattern password. These features provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring your Huobi account and funds remain secure. Once 2FA and additional security features are activated, every time you log in, withdraw funds, or make important changes, you will be prompted to enter a verification code or authenticate using your chosen method. Now you know how to secure your Huobi account with 2FA and extra security features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.